Hey everyone, it's Miss Frankie again. I'm going to be showing you part 2 of 4.6, division and the distributive property. This one will be a lot shorter because it's a very simple form of what our distributive property is. One way that the kids can easily look at the distributive property besides using base 10 blocks is drawing it out using a grid. That's why I have the background for this one in a grid form. So I use the same math problem, 78 divided by 6. What we work on is drawing out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let me try that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do it this time. I gotta just go quickly. There we go. That's 6, right? 2, 4, 6. Yep, 6 of them. We're drawing out when shading in each of the grids each time we go through this. So I'm going to be counting by 6s until I get to 78. So there's 6, 12, 18, 24, and I'll skip ahead so you can catch up with me here. Okay, I have counted by 6s to 78. And I'm going to just square this out so you can see it a little bit better. What the kids are supposed to do is 2 different things on this. The first way is that they can go through and actually just count how many 6s they've used. And if we count, there's 5. I'm going to draw a line when I get to 1 that makes it easy for me to count. So there's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5, and then 1, 2, 3. So the kids can either count out and list it, or they can do what I did here is I grouped it so that it was easier for me to count. Well, I get 5 plus 5 plus 3, which is 13. So it's a simple way to use a graph to figure out how to find 78 divided by 6. Now, if you haven't noticed, 4.6 is actually going to find the exact answer versus in 4.5 where we were estimating and finding an about answer. All right, I've got one more lesson to go through with you, and I'm going to tell you right now the way that our book does it looks different, but it's the same concept. So stay tuned for part 3.